Alright, so in today's video, we're going to plant store-bought green onions. Why would you plant store-bought green onions? Well, there's two reasons. The big reason is they actually keep better in the garden than they do in the refrigerator. And two, it'll give me pretty much an endless supply for, I had one of these bundles last me over 2 years once. So that's what I'm gonna do. I need to add some fertilizer to it. Mix it in. Smooth this out. We are gonna plant a whole bunch of these green onions. Now what you're looking for is you want to make sure that when you get these onions here that they have the roots like that. If they have the roots, you're going to be good to go. If you happen to find a set that doesn't have the roots, then don't even bother. I'm literally going to fill this whole bed with onions. Plop them in the ground just like that. What about the onion part? Well, what about the onion part? I have plenty of green onions for a long time now. In fact, this will probably go into the spring, might even go into the summer, and I might even still have these in the soil this time next year. Not a completely necessary step here, but I will slowly start to fill these in with some mulchy leaves just to give the bulb some protection. The onions have been in for a few days now. These are the store-bought spring onions, green onions that you can buy, and everybody can buy. There's already some new growth going on, brand new leaves coming up. This works really well every single time. You kind of get into a pinch, you need something to throw into a bed. This works out. Go ahead and give it a shot. Endless supply of green onions. Like, share, and subscribe.